wanted to tell you about the craft kit that I have for you guys this week at the library. And this week, you guys get to make your own clock. See? I put my day on mine. So from waking up and falling asleep to eating meals and going to the library and working on things and reading books and reading for fun and having fun with friends. And I can change the hands on this clock to point to what I am doing. But you can draw whatever you want on there. If you want to draw how to make a sandwich clock time, you can do that. If you want to draw anything you want on there, you can do that. There's no right or wrong way to make this activity clock. Have fun with it. In order to make this, you will need your own drawing supplies. At the library, a kid is waiting for you with a paper plate to serve as your clock spaces that you will color on, and a big hand and a little hand that all go together, and a brad, which you can use to stick them together. You will also need an adult's help to help stick them all together after you decorate. So, these will be waiting for you at the library this week, and I hope you have fun with them.